Hello my lovely friends. Today's recipe is Valentine's Day special. We are going to make coconut hearts. These are easy peasy sweet made with just few ingredients. You can make it within 10 minutes. You don't have to waste a lot of time in the kitchen. And you shape them like heart and it looks so cute and presentable. So it's a perfect treat for your Valentine. Let's get started and make it. Coconut hearts. A special treat for Valentine's Day. Very easy to make and can be ready in just 10 minutes. Ingredients list can be seen in the description box. Check it out. Now in a pan, melt 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee starts melting, then reduce the flame. The whole cooking process is done on low flame so that the color doesn't change. You can see now the ghee has melted. Add the desiccated coconut or coconut powder. It's readily available in the market. I have taken 2 cups. Saute it continuously. Now remember, we have to keep the flame low so that the coconut doesn't become brown. We have to retain the white color. But it has to get cooked properly. As you are stirring, you can get a nice aroma. The aroma of frying coconut is really amazing. For best results, use a thick bottomed pan. A heavy pan is always good for sweets. Now we will add the milk powder. I have taken 2 tablespoons. For 2 cups of coconut powder, we are adding 2 tablespoons of milk powder. The measurements are all very easy to remember. Again, on the low flame, continue to stir until the milk powder gets mixed very well with the coconut. Now time to add condensed milk, 100 ml. This is 200 ml can, so I am adding half of it. Continue to stir now. Mix well so that there are no lumps. The coconut will start becoming moist now after it absorbs the condensed milk. Mix it thoroughly so that no lumps are there. Now we'll need little more liquid for binding, so I'm adding 2 tablespoons of milk and 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder. This will give Indian flavors. If you want to have a different version, you can add vanilla essence or you can add rose syrup so that it gives it a reddish color. But I'm keeping it white today with cardamom flavor, which is my favorite. You can see now the mixture has become nice, pliable. You can bind it now easily. Remove it into a dish so that it cools and you can handle it. Take a heart-shaped mold and put little bit of mixture to shape it up like a heart. You can make any shape you like, but since it's Valentine Day, let's shape it up like a heart. Otherwise you can make round shape, square, or just even put it in a thali and cut it into cubes. Now remove the heart carefully. Lovely. That's really very cute. The same way, start making until the mixture is finished. From this quantity, you can get about 10 hearts. Again, it depends on the size of the mold or a cutter. Now take the coconut heart and dip it into dry coconut powder. It gives a nice look, and also they will not get stuck to each other. All the hearts are done now. You can place them in heart-shaped disposable containers also. They look absolutely beautiful. If you are gifting them to your friends, you can put them in a nice decorative box. How lovely they look. So cute, isn't it? So do give it a try, and it's such a simple and easy dessert to make. Do share your feedback and enjoy your Valentine's Day. If you like this video, you can share it with your friends too. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from my collection and stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye bye.